Welcome to OTAN, your Outreach and Technical Assistance Network.
This is part 2 of the presentation on NROC's Developmental Math. The course is sponsored by OTAN. In this part, we will look at review, reinforcement activities, unit quizzes, additional features offered in the course, and how to get your free copy of the course. The review section checks to see if the student has mastered the topic. For reinforcement, additional features at the end of each unit include the tutor sim. A tutor walks students through a real-life application of the skill. This is a great activity to do as a class, in pairs, or small groups. Finally, the team project allows student groups to try their hand at the skill. At the end of each unit, several quizzes are available. You can have students practice on one, hiding the other until test day. Then open that quiz during the time you want them to test. All tests are automatically graded and the grades are put in the gradebook. At the beginning of the course, there is a news forum for you to be able to communicate with your students. Show your students that if they select course text, they will find each subject listed. Select a topic and it opens to the text for each of the topics covered in the course. Topics are in English and Spanish. At adultedcourses.org, OTAN has available to you 2 developmental math courses, with assessments and without. If you choose to use developmental math in a flipped or blended classroom, you can assign before in-class lectures, or you can use the course as a supplement. This way students can study at home and repeat as needed. Or you could use developmental math in independent study with students coming in for testing. Developmental math is also available on mobile devices. Now, how to get your course. Go to adultedcourses.org. Get an account. Go to OTAN Shared Courses, select Developmental Math. At the right, you'll find the course request. Fill it out. That's it. It may take a week for a copy of the course to arrive in your school section at Adult Ed Courses. Remember, it is free to your school through OTAN.
Thank you. And as a reminder, OTAN supports California adult education agencies who are integrating, improving, and maintaining technology use in the classroom. Always stay informed by visiting the OTAN website at www.otan.us. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.